see your life? No, you see your life. See where your life don't land you now. Eh? Come on, spare manager for me. You dey buga, they carry shoulder up. Just pay manager for me. You dey do anyhow because now only you know book pass.
You were rude.
Oh, you dey hear am? I dey rude. You see your life? You dey see my car outside? Did you see it? You don't see my well-furnished apartment where they give me. Eh? I mean the top for company now. Not maybe the top charts. Eh? Just see your life. See where you did. Wait, so babe. You employed a degree holder in business management as a gate man in your house.
Point of correction. I'm not just a degree holder. I finished with a first class.
You dey hear am? Thank God say it come out from my mouth.
Really?
You dey hear am? I no lie.
A first-class degree holder?
Bam.
So, you lied to me about your educational qualification because you were scared I wasn't going to employ you.
Yes, ma. I didn't want to lose the job. I'm sorry, ma. Please forgive me.
Could they raise shoulder up anyhow? They carry shoulder up. See your life. Gates man. Ordinary gates man.
You know what? Just go, please. Just go.
They go. You don't belong for here. They hear am. They go. You be gates man. They go. You dey look me. You won't beat me.
And I said leave. Just go.
I'm sorry, ma.
Go mind the gates. Please leave.
All right. Sorry, ma. Is the food ready?
Okay, they go. You don't say food they ready. Ordinary gates man. Just pay manager. You dey buga. School now scam oh. Eh? Between me and that guy now. No. Who win? No, sir, don't you use breast. Collect work for your hand. Nah, ordinary gates man.
Betrayal I feel, just the price I have to pay for being way too loyal, for loving a lie and trusting a cheat.
Yeah, tomorrow.
How does he make you?
Certainly. Yes, like I said, my in-laws are here to pay the bride price of my daughter. Come on. During the grand banquet, and the wedding ceremony, all of you are going to be around. I will shut down the country. You trust me now. Yes, tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll meet at the club, okay? At the country club. Yeah, tomorrow. What is it? Why are you panting like this?
I've been knocking at her door and she's not opening.
Whose door? Our daughter?
Yes.
Why? Is she sleeping or what?
That I don't know.
Today of all days? Come on. Ije! Ijeoma?
She's not responding.
But is she not inside?
Where else? If not her room.
Could she be sleeping or what?
That I don't know.
Ije! Daddy, Ije! Open this door!
Hey, Chimo.
What is happening?
Just pray my daughter is alive. Just pray she's alive.
Today of all days. No, she can't do this. Ije!
Hey, Chimo, mom.
Go and get me Greg.
Greg! Wait.
I did.
My in-laws, please just bear with us. We're trying to put one or two together. And my husband will soon join you.
Okay, that's okay.
Greg,
Yes, baby.
please come with me.
Don't worry, we are very comfortable with you. Thank you. No. Come.
Darling, Greg is here.
Dad, you sent for me.
Yes. Break this door. Break it!
Why would I break my sister's door, Dad?
She's not responding, and our visitors are waiting.
Look. She locked herself in there and refused to open the door.
Mom, are you sure she's inside?
I don't know, but she came to our room this morning and greeted us.
Yes. She came to her room.
Yes.
I said, break this door. What are you waiting for? I said, break it.
What is in the letter? What? Tell me. Read and tell me.
By the time you come across this letter, I might be on the plane or rather reached my destination.
Hey.
I am awfully sorry for taking every member of my family unawares.
Hey.
Especially my lovely dad, whom always wish I get married to Donald, his best friend's son. Dad, Mom, the truth is, I have no love for him.
Hey.
All these years, I was just trying to make my family happy.
Hey.
Especially Dad and Mom. I dated Donald just to satisfy you both. But how will I end up with a man that I have tried to love but is not working out? A man who sees me as nothing but just a connection. A man who will always remind me that we are just doing this for the sake of our family. Dad, I think this is my decision.
Hey.
And it's the best for me. I have gone to a far destination. Please, when I return, take me as your daughter who wants her happiness and peace of mind. Please, wish me all the best as I journey to find the one who God designed for me.
No, I'm finished. I'm finished.
Ijoma, why? How could you do this to us? How could she do this to us? Knowing full well that our business empire depends solely on the solid relationship between our family and that of the orgies. How?
Hey. I'm gonna disgrace it. I'm gonna disgrace it.
Collins, what is it you want to tell me that you cannot say before my people?
My daughter ran away.
What? That is a joke, right? You're joking.
No, I'm not joking.
Huh?
She left a note. This is it.
I'm not trying to live a little life. Oh, I burn so bright. I want so much more, and I'm not trying to pretend. This is my life, and I will live it till the end.
What kind of embarrassment is this? So, I came to your house with the most respected elder in my kindred, only for you to greet us with this nonsense. Is that... Please.
Chief Clifford,
Excuse me. You just know it. That your business and the connections you always get from me will suffer for this humiliation you are trying to put me into.
Chief Clifford,
Please! You know me very well, don't you? You know me, and you know what I am capable of doing. You know it.
I am sorry. Okay? You and I know that...
Please, don't annoy me further. Don't! Yeah, Winnie. Okay. Tell your mom. Tell my uncle there. Pick all your things. Meet me outside now. Okay?
Mama,
My grandson, what is it?
another job interview. This time, I'm going immediately.
Huh? Again?
Mama, which one is again? Do you want me to stop going for job interviews?
Because I have lost count. Anyway, I wish you all the best. Eh?
Mama, you're not sounding encouraging. Eh? But I promise you, this time, I'll give you a better result.
Oh, when you're leaving, tell me so that I will bless you.
Oh, Mama, this money belongs to Mazi Dikeh. Tell him I cannot do his job. I'm no longer interested. Thank you.
No problem. Just take it easy on yourself. Every day. Job interview. Well, may God help you, my grandson, every day.
Chief Collins, I can understand your feelings, but you have to take it easy. You cannot kill yourself. Look at your wife is crying. You have to be a man and console her. The damage has been done, and we all have to accept it as reality of life. What are you saying? It wasn't your fault. On the other hand, I'll have to talk to Chief Forge and plead with him to understand that you are not the cause of what happened. So you have to relax.
Clifford, today is one hell of a day that I wouldn't want to remember in my entire life.
I really understand. I do. It's painful. But like I said, I will talk to Chief Forge. Let us find a way to resolve this matter. When we resolve it, we will become friends as we are.
Well, Clifford, I must appreciate you. I'm grateful that you would do that for me. Okay. And I'm happy that you came.
What are friends for? It's my pleasure.
Yeah.
I will be there for you.
Thank you.
And I'll have to retire. You see, the security situation of this country now is not friendly.
Oh.
You can understand what I mean.
Yeah, I do.
I have to go.
It's all right. So, greet your people for me. Get going. All right.
Emilia, I know you'll be wondering why we're here.
Yes, sir.
This is the house my son asked me to hand over to you.
Daddy, are you serious?
With this car key,
No way.
so that you can be comfortable.
Oh my God. Daddy, thank you. Thank you, mommy.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
You both are the best.
Okay.
The best father-in-law and the best mother-in-law.
It's all right.
Oh my God, this is beautiful.
She's happy.
The car is just so perfect for me. The house is beautiful. I love it, Daddy. I'm so happy. Thank you.
It's okay.
You're welcome.
The project that took me abroad is going on well. And that will soon be over. So very soon, he will be here with you in Nigeria.
That's good, Daddy. Daddy, just that he doesn't communicate properly. I don't often hear from him. He calls me once in a week, and I don't like it.
Emilia, don't worry. That's the nature of his job.
Yes.
Really?
You see, and I have to tell you, he's not a social media person.
Oh.
He doesn't like much of social media things. But he dedicates his time doing his job.
In order to make more money for you.
Right? Oh, wow. I love me a serious man.
That's good.
An intentional man, because he's actually intentional for him to get me this place. You know, I love him for that. Not a social media man. It's very scarce these days. I like it.
And he's very caring.
Really? That's nice. Okay.
That's all right. Let's sit inside.
Daddy, when can I see him? I can't wait to see him.
Don't worry. I can't just say the exact time he will be back. But I know that the project will still take him up to 3 more months. So 3 more months.
Okay. But I can't wait to see my mommy. I can't wait to see her.
You don't rush now, go chop the meat now.
You go chop this one now.
Chop it.
This second meat.
How you see this was a sweet of it?
Only 1 meat in real brain.
You better there go bring. See me with the money.
Yeah, good afternoon. I dey go market.
No.
But wetin be this? Na 3,000 dey here o. Mama say na 5,000 you go give me. Ah, wetin I wan use this one buy? Na crayfish abi na pepper abi na maggi? You know say this one no go reach.
Use this one, manage and go. It's not go house. Tell Papa make it add small for this one.
But why they do like this? No say Papa no get money. No say Papa no get. Okay, you.
What did they worry you? Since morning, since you there here now, you don't see any car pass on this way. Everywhere dry. Money no day, only this one, only 100 naira. 100 naira now I don't get it. And the person said, "Where come pump?" I tell her 150, pump 100. It's 100 he give me. Now you there here they talk all this.
But I never work anything. But you dey here they chop rice with meat. Me I don't chop since morning. I don't chop.
Now Helen bring food for me now.
Oh, yeah, tell her now, make she add 2,000, ma complete this money, ma go market. I know.
I never chop, I never get anything since money. They talk this. Go house, give Papa, show Papa say na 3,000 I bring. They make him add the one way you.
That man say Papa no get money. He no get money. Me I dey go back house so. Ma go tell Mama say na 3,000 you give me. Wait I want use this one buy.
I beg. You dey chop?
Can't gauge my tire. I won't go. You say I don't dey away. Ma go find money.
Sorry, sit down well.
Okay.
Get it, remember.
Are they done with the interview?
Sorry, my file.
Okay. Are they done with the interview?
No, they haven't started.
Hey, thank God. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. You mean they've not started the interview?
No.
Hey, thank God. Oh. Thank God. They asked me to come here by 9, and this is after 11. Can you imagine? Eh? Has it been long you've been here?
I've been here since 7 a.m.
Eh? Hey, wait. Thank God. Oh. You mean you've not done the interview?
No.
Ha! I be lucky girl. Oh. My name na lucky. Hey! Thank you, Jesus. You mean say they never do one? Hey! God, I thank you. Today, na my day. I know say this work, na for me. This work is for me. I'm very sure of it. Hey! Thank you, Jesus.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Chantel Obodo. Sorry I kept you waiting for so long. We were having a Zoom meeting with the MD of the company.
That's not a problem. It's fine.
Okay. I am the HR manager of this company. I was the one who messaged and placed call on both of you regarding why you're here. I must say we have your CVs and it speaks wonderfully well, especially you, Echezona. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations on that. So you have to read this and fill in the answers before the interview, and your time starts now. You have only 10 minutes now.
10 minutes?
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, my village people follow me come here today. Oh, this one hard for me. Oh, what's it be this? Oh, I don't feel say anything for you. Oh. Hey, don't think where I go school now. Which kind of question be this? Me, I want start.
Madam, I'm done.
Hi. Sorry. I beg him, bros. I beg help me spell manager. You don't know where I come out for school. See, I don't even understand what they write for this place. I don't even know what I want answer. Eh?
Sorry, you
Please,
can't...
my village people follow me, come here. I beg, help me.
I'm trying to understand you. You can't spell manager? Like a manager of a company?
I know if you spell them. In a I.
There's no I. There's no I.
No.
Hello?
Bros, I beg.
There's no I in the spelling of a manager. Are you serious? How did you graduate from school? How did you get into school?
Bros, what's happening now? Why you insult me? And just to spell common manager, now you know if you help me spell. Which one the all this one? If you want spell for me, make you help me spell. Which kind of talk this
Why
one?
are you so rude?
Which one beside they rude? How I take
I'm sorry, I can't help you. I'm sorry, madam, I'm done.
Beg, help me spell.
Madam, hello?
Can
you stop, please?
Do this thing for me now, I beg.
Madam.
Oh yeah, wait.
Wow, this guy is good. I must say I'm really impressed. I think he's so precise and direct. He's fit for this position. What do you think?
I completely agree with you, sir.
Good. Okay, let's go to the next one. Who is this? Dear manager. What is the I doing here? Huh? Who's this person?
The lady, Jennifer Okon.
Jennifer Okon. You mean she can't spell currently? Huh? Does she think we're joking here? I'm not impressed. Let's go to the next one. Let's see. Wow. I think she has a very good CV. But why can't she spell? What's the problem? Go and call her for me, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is act.
Hi, handsome.
Hello, please have a seat.
No. I want to sit next to you. Handsome. Lap. I want to show you what my mama gave to me. Are you seeing it? You're too handsome. I've been dreaming and wishing to set my eyes on you.
I don't understand. Do you know me?
Yes, I've seen you in my dream. In a dream world. That is why I applied for this job. Knowing fully well that I am going to see you. Handsome face manager. See, I'm hot and I'm ready to do anything for you. I know you like what you see.
Yeah, I do.
You like what you see, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I can feel it. Oh, you are so hard. See, I knew you would never resist me. I knew it, baby.
And then you burned it down. I am tired.
I've been sitting here for over 1 hour. 2 hours actually. This man is not attending to me. And I'm getting too cold. The air conditioner is too cold for me. I'm going to sleep off. I'm just going to sleep off here. I don't understand. If he doesn't want to see me, he should just say so now. Why keep me here for over 2 hours and he's not attending to me?
So tell me, when do I start?
I will write your employment letter, but on one condition.
Anything, baby.
You'll be mine alone. Always.
With all pleasure.
Oh, you're so sweet, right? And you're a very smart girl.
You can say that again.
Okay. I'll just write the application now for you, okay?
Okay.
Just give me a minute.
Okay. So, you call me when you are done for the day, okay?
Okay, but you
I'll
just...
give you more and more stars. I'll take you to Cloud9,
You know,
where you have never been before.
you know, I can't wait to get more of you, right?
I know.
Okay. Okay, just 1 minute. Dawn, just pick up your employment letter from the HR, okay?
Okay.
All right. Take good care of yourself, okay?
Call me.
I will. Bad girl.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is how I'm gonna give it to you.
You're gonna kill me, right?
Alright, have a nice day.
Alright. Mr. Chesona, I must say you have a very good credential. But I'm sorry, the position is taken.
So are you talking to me?
Yes, of course.
So what do you mean the position has been taken? What do you mean by that, sir? Sir, I've been here since 7 a.m. I was there when the girl walked in. And now you have given her the job and you're telling me there's no vacancy for me?
Can you please calm down, Mr. Jojana, please? Reduce your voice, okay?
Sir, I need to understand, how did she get the job?
Mr. Jojana.
How did she get the job? That lady asked me to spell manager. She could not read and write. So tell me, how did she get the job? And who are you to challenge me? You slept with her, sir.
Get out of my office now, or else I will call the security on you.
Sir, you slept with her, that's why.
I said leave my office now.
You slept with her, sir. Tell me you didn't sleep with her.
I said leave my office
now. You had sex with her, sir. That's why I've been waiting for you. You had sex with her and you gave her the job. Leave my office or I'll call the security on you. You are one of the problems we have in this country. And God will punish you. God will punish you.
Nonsense.
What is going on here, sir?
And how's that your business?
I am the head of HR of this company. I think I deserve to know why you gave that illiterate girl a job and disqualify a man with a first class. You and I know that H does not deserve that job.
And how dare you challenge my decisions? Huh? Leave my office now or else I'll query you. Now! Nonsense. You think he's to graduate with first class?
Useless country, bastard! God will punish that manager, idiot. One of the people making this country very hard.
Good afternoon.
What is good about the afternoon?
Calm down, no rush me.
No, what is it? What is it? I don't have all day.
About 12 don't knock. You suppose don't check out by now.
Did you not see me packing my things? Am I not checking out?
This after 2.
Or do you think I want to remain in this dead room? Mosquitoes everywhere.
But no missing me mosquitoes.
Please get lost. Get lost. I'm leaving.
So
eat your room. Please go away.
Oh, but I don't know whether you are feeling nonsense.
Darling, you're not saying anything.
Chief Orji kept to his words. He cancelled the signed business deal between our company and his.
Really? Oh my goodness. In as much as I condemn our daughter's silly act, but what kind of a man is Orji? How can he unleash the consequences of our daughter's silly act on a relationship that had existed over the years between our families? Oh, it means he really never liked us.
The unfortunate thing is that our mutual friend, Chief Clifford, met him, spoke to him, appealed to him that what happened was truly not our fault, that we never contributed to whatever our daughter did, but all to no avail. He bluntly refused to understand with him.
Then let's move on. Yes. After all, he's not God that created heaven and earth. He is not.
Move on to where? No, tell me. Move on to where? Listen, our company is laden with huge debts. Debt burdens. You know, I was thinking that this deal will avail us the opportunity not to just settle the debts, but to attain financial stability. So you can understand why I feel the way I do.
It's okay, darling.
Madam.
Yes, you're done?
Yes, I don't fix your tire. You don't date kakrakana.
Okay.
You go fit drive, go anywhere.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
you know, they actually told me the reason I came here. So please, how much is your bill?
2,205. But if you get 1,500, I go take her.
Okay. Okay, I have change here. This I just have 2,000 naira. So I just have to.
Okay. This one
Thank
go
you
okay.
so much.
Okay.
I appreciate.
Thank you.
I appreciate. Okay,
Okay.
I've got the key. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Hello? Eh? Oh, but you never tell where I come up for that place now. Eh? You know, say since morning, only one customer I don't work for. So me coming back to that place now, it go hard though. I beg, because in the evening. Moku meet for normal now. Under the mango bar now. You don't know that bar where would they where they drink they cool where? Yes, now. If you go come that place, it go better. Come there in the evening now. I don't tire. Oh yeah now. Oh yeah, if you like, come. Oh. Hey. How did they pick this one? Hello? My forget your phone for my shop. Yes. You don't reach your house? No. Oh, you tell me that don't worry, no worry. I know the thief person phone. As you forget, you know say you pay me well. So as you forget your phone here, I go bring her for you. Give me your address, I go bring her. No. I know they do like that. I go bring her for you. Yes, for GRA. Fin Avenue, yes, I will bring it. Okay, ma. Cut am. Hello? Come my shop. Come na. Get person where I want go deliver something for. Yes, na Fin Avenue for GRA. Oh yeah, they come, I beg. Hey!
You dey tell me easy, no be the way they rush me. Wetin make rush me? Say my rush
Sorry. Mo go Fin Avenue. I beg.
Wetin dey happen there?
Person dey wait for me there for main road. I beg. Mo dey go na. I beg. Start. Mo dey go.
Like say you don't hit jackpot.
I never hit anything. Mo could dey go.
You go pay me better money.
I know they pay you before.
No, this one. You know where would they go? GRA.
Oh yeah. Mo dey go.
Oh yeah, wait, man, start my keke. No say this keke hard.
No. Ewa, ngwa.
Oh, thank you. This is it. Thank you so much. Thank you for bringing back my phone to me. Thank you.
No problem. What I want use that do not be my own now.
You know, I have searched for this phone everywhere. My handbag in my office. I literally forgot that I came by to fix my tires. Thank you.
No worry. No stress yourself. Now my office you keep her. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Please tell me, what's your name?
My name is Ikenna, aka Ike Bobo. Honesty, tube, and tire.
My name is Ijoma. You can also call me Mildred.
Hey, that's your English name now?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It is. Well, thank you so much. Let me just go get something.
No, no worry. No need that, no worry. Thank you very much.
No, why? I just want to appreciate you for bringing back my phone. I insist, please.
No need.
Okay. Ikenna, right?
Yes,
Ikenna,
Ike
if
Baba.
it's just the keke money, I don't mind.
For this one, leave this person. This person na me be this. Na collabo with day. Eh? This person na me be this. So no need anywhere for this town. Na me and am. We dey run things together. So forget her.
Okay, let me give you a small thing for petrol. I insist.
No,
please.
No.
It's I will make a transfer. Just help me with your account number.
Madam, make I call the account.
Yes, please.
90.
Yeah? But they bring drink for you now.
No. I'm hungry. This is not food now.
You see what I tell you. I say for this country, education na scam. See am now. Person wey no fit read anything, wey no fit pronounce anything, now they give manager. You wey get 2-1, they no fit give you anything. I don't tell you, say, all this thing where these people they do. No.
Ikenna, I felt like killing that bastard. Honestly, but I had to control myself.
Better.
If I had stayed there for 1 more hour, I would have killed that guy. Trust me.
I see those people, they chop themselves. They chop themselves.
Please, can we change this topic? Let's talk about something else.
I don't tell you make you come learn my work. You no agree. Money there, mo. Money there is my job.
Ikenna, I'm very hungry. Please, can I get some money so I look for something to eat?
That one no be issue, because I know say if you get, you go give me. Okay. Take now.
Thank you.
Yeah. You go one place where they chop food around the Iyamosiri house.
Where is that?
Back of Mankechi place.
Okay.
Yeah. That place. If you chop their pepper rice, nah man.
Okay, now let me look for something to eat.
You say you no want drink?
I'm hungry. I can't be drinking beer now.
Oh yeah, no wahala. I drop this one, say go back to my shop. Who there here? I'll call tomorrow.
Ikenna is a very good guy. Now let's see how it goes. Very good guy. Very good guy.
I heard all you told me. But what I am telling you, I know Ikenna is a good person. But you have to come back home before anything. So let's discuss. Yes, I have some money to give you that can sustain you for a while. Come. Just come, my grandson. Lotawa. Lota. Before you take any action. Yes. Ngwa.
Yes, babe. Oh, yes, babe. It's fine. Alright, babe, we'll talk later, okay? Where? Your new house? Alright, babe, I'll be there. Babe, let me just call you back, please.
It's right there, my sexy boss.
I know you messed up this file, but don't worry, I will fix it, okay?
Okay.
So what do you have for the boss?
Anything for you, baby.
Are you sure? I can see you are enjoying your house and the new car assigned to you.
Why not? Of course I'm enjoying it.
I want to spend the night with you in that house.
Really?
Yes, of course, my love.
I thought you were a married man.
Leave me to handle that, okay?
Perfect, then. No problem. I'll be heading to my office. I heard the MD is coming around today. Let me run along.
Oh, come on. Not without a quickie. Come to daddy, okay? I've missed you. Come on, give me some sugar.
Alright.
Yeah, I can't get enough of you. I can't even wait.
Dave. You get my share. Wait. You mean you left your father's house? Luxury life, comfort zone, even your father's company, down to this state to establish yourself. Come on, are you for real?
Ella, please, can we just drop it? Let's drop it. You know me. Once I move, I move. I just want to be free. I need to be free to do things. I just want to be free. Can't you understand that?
This is serious. Like, serious. What?
The vulcanizer. I mean, the man who picked your call when you called.
Okay, yes. Yeah, and what about him?
Don't worry about it.
Come on, you can't do that now. You just increase my temper and you're bringing it down. Close this thing and tell me. Just gist me.
I want to gist you. I'll gist you. That man, he is exactly everything that I told you I want in a man. He's not arrogant. He's humble. He's sincere. He's not, like this. He's not. He doesn't carry his shoulders up. He's good. And his heart is okay and he's fine. He's cute.
God forbid. A vulcanizer. Are you okay? Wait, because he picked up your phone out of your carelessness in his workshop or whatever, which any random guy can do.
It's not any random guy. Any random guy would have just collected my phone, gone to the phone village and flashed it, start using it. But not this person.
Babe, the last time I checked, you are a daughter of a billionaire. I mean, you are doing well for yourself. What is an iPhone you cannot get for yourself in less than 2 seconds? Tell me.
Listen, it's about the heart. He is a good person. He did not go selling off my phone. Listen, if I would do anything to be around good people, I would do that.
Babe, I think you left your state down to this place to establish yourself and not looking for one random guy you fall in love with. Stop it already. Stop it. Anyway, by the way, how is your dad? I mean your family. Have we heard from them?
No, please. I don't want to have anything to do with them. I don't want to communicate with them, and I beg you in the name of God, please, don't tell them. Don't talk to them. Just let them be for now. My dad, he tells me everything. He practically wants to control me. He wants to tell me who to marry. He wants to tell me who to do business with. He wants to tell me who to hang out with. And I don't want that. I just want to be me. I want to find a man that is suitable for me. A man that I would be with and be happy and be comfortable, sleep at night and wake up very okay. And not be scared. Somebody who is humble.
I know it's funny you leaving your father's house down to this place to get all these things you're looking for. And you expect me? Okay, fine. I will maintain my space and mind my business.
Thank you.
See you in a minute.
So?
Lunch.
Who's staying?
Anybody can.
Today is Thursday. It's your turn.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's good.
Hey! Ikenna, you no go believe wetin my eyes see. Hi! As I check my phone, see wetin that lady send for me, body sweet me. Please, wait, ma show you.
Yeah.
See. What is it?
30K.
30 ba. See, as I see the money, I just plan am. I go do my key starter. You know, say my keke no good now. My key starter every time I do. Before you know, I don't go get muzzle. Then I go come buy fuel.
Then still give me small now.
Give me wait.
You know, give me small.
No, be you say make I no collect money for hand.
Now even though I don't talk, I know, but the lady get money now. You go give me small thing now.
Hi.
Yeah?
I pity you run like.
Papa, Mama and Papa, they fight. Papa come push Mama. Mama come push him back. He come fall for ground, come faint.
For this time?
Come.
Now Papa they push Mama, Papa they push Mama. Who push each other? Let's get in minutes now. Carry your keke, follow me. Yeah? They come our house. Come. Hey!
Babe, what is it?
I don't know how to tell you this.
Babe, that's why I'm here for you, okay? You can talk to me. What is it?
Jay, this relationship has to end.
I don't understand.
I'm getting married and my husband will be back in 3 months' time. As a matter of fact, he asked his father to get me this apartment because he wants me to be comfortable and watched over while waiting for him.
Babe, 3 months' time is a long time. And moreover, you want to abandon me for some guy abroad that you don't even know what he's doing.
Oh, please, Jerry, let me bother about that. Don't make it harder than it is already for me, please.
Emilia, we are not quitting until I say so. And that's final.
I won't make you calm down. For the sake of your mama, I won't make you calm down, I beg.
No problem. Just that my father is not helping matter. Why?
I understand.
Why are you still here?
Keke na my keke now. And you know my guy. So, no worry, nothing spoil. I want to make sure say Popsy do alright.
Brother, doctor they call you.
How they come?
Okay.
Oh, thank you so much. You look worried. What's the problem?
No, I'm fine. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, 100%. I'm fine.
Okay then.
What can I offer you?
Nothing, I'm good.
Okay.
Yes. I just came so that we would talk about something. I need your help.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So the thing is, I don't know if you have any trusted person, somebody you can trust. My friend needs someone for, to act as a security guard in her house. Someone who you can trust. I don't know, just recommend anybody.
Security. That's gatesman.
Yes, a gatesman.
Okay. Just give me by end of today. I'll get somebody.
But you can actually take all the time you need. Take all the time you need and get somebody. We can wait so long as the person is coming from you, but the person needs to be of a good character.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Sorry if I may ask, how much?
Well, she told me 50,000 naira. She'll be paying 50.
50?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
50,000. So you can get somebody.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So that being settled, you join me. Let's go for lunch, please.
Lunch,
Yeah.
You see, not that I don't want to, but nobody have come to this place since morning.
No, even like we've been here for a few minutes. Nobody's been here. So if we just go for lunch, your customers will wait for you until you return. Yes, let's just go eat.
Okay, it's just that I'm used to all this mama put around here.
Okay, so food is the problem.
No, not that food is the problem, but
what is the problem then? If there's a problem, tell me. I can.
No problem.
Are you sure? Then I don't like what you're doing. No, follow me so that we can go eat.
Hi. 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 I don't know.
All right, I won't stress you. It's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Fine. Next time, okay?
Okay,
thank you. I'll just take your time with the call, all right?
Yes, I will do that.
See you later.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. 50,000.
Sister now, there's something I want us to talk about.
Okay.
Sister, I know you are my elder sister, but one can advise anyone, irrespective of age and status. Sister, I must tell you to stand your ground and resist Jerry. Jerry is a big temptation, then you have to resist. Okay, check this out. He is working in Chief Clifford's company, and that's your fiancé father's company. And he is your ex. Happen now, sister. I mean, way back, he left you and caused you heartbreak. Now you both bumped into each other and you have started having feelings for him. And he is encroaching, especially now that you're about to get married. Sister, you have to see beyond and stop Jerry from coming to this house. Stop him from teasing you. In fact, give an arm's length. Let him remain in your past where he belongs. Sister, please. Winifred. Sister. Are you okay? Have you gone mad? How dare you? So in your little head, you think you've grown to advise me. No. You think you've grown. Wow. So you think you've grown. No, you're now the elder sister here. You are advising me, even using proverbs. Huh? Listen, let today be the first and last you will ever mention this matter to me again. Have I made myself clear? I'm sorry, sister. Sorry for your stupid self. What nonsense. Hey, God, look at Winifred of yesterday talking to me about how to handle a man. Really? And hey, I don't want to hear this from another person. Do you hear me? This your mouth that is running like this. If you take it to somewhere else, I will deal with you. No one must know that Jerry has been coming here. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Yes, sister. Nonsense. Go check who's at the gate. Okay, sister. I don't know why you doesn't want to be.
alright.
I can see. Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Baby girl.
Your babe don't arrive. I know. I don't arrive. Check me out now.
Full package.
Abi.
Full package.
Oh boy. Omo, this your dude love you. See house.
My dear.
Jesus.
What to do now? I want you Odogu for that matter. What do you expect now?
Oh, this man like you die, yo.
Achalugo Odogu.
You can't say that again.
Girl, you look beautiful.
Thank you, my darling.
Wait. Who carried that machine? Who carried that car?
It's my ride, baby.
Yours?
It's my car.
You've gotten the job?
Are you serious? Without this package? They're not rich.
For you, congrats.
Thank you.
How did you do it?
You the one. With all this packaging, all this
full
package. Is it for fancy?
Not for fancy,
Not be for fancy, my sister. Not be smart, you know. Babe, no be small matter.
Tell me something.
That's what I take.
Aye.
Roland.
Ooh.
Give am.
That's it?
My dear. That's what the manager here just bust.
Hi, 2 seconds.
Just the wine.
Everywhere.
The wine. I use my breast.
Hey.
Wipe her for face.
Hey. Knock on everywhere. Hey, my friend. You be bad girl. Yeah, come, make I go give you
2
drink.
seconds. Everywhere just bust.
Come
Your
inside.
girl just soft. Anyhow, babe.
You're looking it like you look beautiful.
Oh boy, oh, this house finds out you.
Your
Your bobo like you.
What do you expect?
My dear, that's how I take on get the job. That's how I take wind my waist for that guy.
You try, my sister.
I get the job. They can't give me car. Can't give me small, better house. Joy.
Hey.
I they tell you.
Too much.
I don't arrive.
You don't arrive.
I will be the what?
Now you now.
Latest car
You
owner.
latest car owner.
Latest house
Yeah,
owner.
yeah.
That's how I give her.
Ooh.
Okay. Your head, he bust. I believe you. He bust. Hey.
Come inside. Look, I give you drink now.
What's he keep coming now? Keep shaking. You keep on shaking.
See me now.
I said I keep on like this.
Yeah. Hey.
He bust.
Good morning.
Echezeno,
Ma?
come here.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I do.
Have you had breakfast?
I don't understand.
Ma?
Starting when?
I was just checking up on her, ma.
As what? Are you mad?
No, ma.
Is this your job?
No.
Now take this, get to the car right now.
I was just being nice, ma.
Nice for your head. Yeah, take this into the car, you stupid boy.
Sorry.
Stop what? Are you mad?
Sorry, ma. Which airport are you going to? Is it local airport or
The
international?
one your father built. The airport your father built. See, this one, they are now teasing you. You're smiling sheepishly, opening your teeth. Listen attentively. You see this program you're going to, you better focus. Bring your eye down and study. Do you hear me? Shut up, I am still talking. Nigeria is not the London where you studied. Avoid small boys, especially local fowl like this one. Do you hear me? Yes. If I hear any, of course you know your sister now. You know your sister. This man is now teasing you, you're smiling. When you go there now, all these Ogwaja boys, area boys will be touching you anyhow and you'll be smiling. Let's go.